Hey there guys, today we're going to be solving a nice equation with cube roots, but before we do that, consider subscribing and ring the bell to not miss my latest videos. So first of all, notice that the expressions under the cube roots have a kind of a special relation. If you take the first one and add it to the second one, you're going to get the third one, because x minus 2 plus x plus 5 equals 2x plus 3. So that means that if I go ahead and say that a equals the cube root of x minus 2 and b equals the cube root of x plus 5, since 2x plus 3 equals x minus 2 plus x plus 5, I can say that this is going to equal a cubed, which is x minus 2, plus b cubed, which is x plus 5. So based on these substitutions, I can say that our equation is equivalent to a plus b equals the cube root of a cubed plus b cubed. Great, so now we have a much more simple equation that we can solve. And in order to solve this, the very first thing that we need to do is to cube both sides, because we want to get rid of that cube root. So if you cube both sides, we're going to have a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a squared times b plus 3b squared times a equals a squared plus b squared. Notice that I used the binomial theorem for expanding the left-hand side. And now it is obvious that I can cancel this with this one and this one with this one. So we're going to be left with 3a squared times b plus 3b squared times a equals 0. Next, we can factor the left-hand side. So it is 3ab times a plus b, and it is equal to 0. So based on the zero product property, I can say that either a equals 0 or b equals 0, or a plus b equals 0. Now, if a equals 0, then that means that the cube root of x minus 2 is going to equal to 0, which means that x minus 2 equals 0, which means that x equals 2. But if b equals 0, that means that the cube root of x plus 5 equals 0, which means that x plus 5 equals 0, which means that x equals negative 5. Finally, if a plus b equals 0, we're going to have the cube root of x minus 2 plus the cube root of x plus 5 equals 0. In order to solve this, let's go ahead and move this to the right-hand side. So we're going to have the cube root of x minus 2 equals negative the cube root of x plus 5. So next, we need to cube both sides to get rid of these cube roots. So we're going to have x minus 2 equals negative the quantity x plus 5, which means x minus 2 equals negative x minus 5, which means that 2x equals negative 3, which means x equals negative 3 over 2. Great, so negative 3 over 2 is our third solution to our problem. And notice that since we only had cube roots in our equation, we really don't need to bother ourselves with validating our solutions because they are obviously valid solutions. So our solutions are x equals 2, x equals negative 5, and x equals negative 3 over 2. Great, so we are done with this video. Thank you for watching this. Please consider subscribing for more contents like this, and hit the like button if you enjoy watching this. Hopefully I will see you later. Goodbye for now.